Okay, so here's just a quick view of what the Daily Dozen foods looks like for a day. Now, this is not everything that you would necessarily eat in a day, but these are the recommended dietary additions to your diet that Dr. Michael Greger puts into his Daily Dozen. And I portioned these out in serving sizes so you can get a quick idea of what this really looks like to implement. Now, this is a super basic Daily Dozen. You can literally eat these foods and you'll satisfy your Daily Dozen, but they're also, you might want to have a little more variety. This is actually like a really nice budget-friendly Daily Dozen view right here. But first, check out the Daily Dozen tracker. This is what it looks like fully printed. And I did show you earlier my example where I did a 1 day of Daily Dozen meals and checklist. Like I said, you can download a free copy of this in the description below. So here is 1 can of beans has 3.5 servings of legumes. So if you were to eat just basically a full can of beans a day, that would satisfy the Daily Dozen. Then for whole grains, Dr. Greger recommends 3 servings of whole grains. So in this dish, I have 2 servings of oatmeal and uncooked oatmeal and 1 serving of sliced whole grain bread. Then he recommends 3 servings of fruit. So 1 apple, 1 banana, and a cup of grapes would satisfy the Daily Dozen. Then we have 2 cups of leafy greens. This is just some baby spring mix, but you can do other leafy greens as well, like kale or spinach or romaine. All right, and then we have 3 servings of vegetables. This is a zucchini, a yam, and a tomato. Then he recommends 1 serving of berries. This is about, a half of a cup of fresh berries, but you can also do frozen berries as well. Then he recommends 1/4 cup of cruciferous vegetables. So a cruciferous vegetable is a specific type of vegetable that you would recognize as broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, things like that. And all you really need is a 1/4 cup a day to get the maximum health benefits of the cruciferous vegetables. Then he recommends 1/4 cup of nuts. These are walnuts. And then 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. This is ground flaxseed, but you can also use whole. And then 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric powder, and then other herbs and spices. All right, so I hope that this inspires you. Oh, I forgot, and 8 cups of water. So this is filtered water that I put into jars. It's helpful to do that because then you can really monitor how much you're actually drinking a day. All right, well, I hope this video inspired you to check out the Daily Dozen and to get started. So I hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.